Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to open Task Manager using different shortcut commands and explain when to use them. Let's get started. Method 1, the fastest shortcut. Press Ctrl-Shift-S together. This instantly opens Task Manager without any extra steps. Method 2, the classic way. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then select Task Manager from the menu. Method 3, using Run command. Press Windows R, type Task MGR, then press Enter. When should you use if your computer is slow and you want to check CPU or memory usage? When an application is not responding and you need to force close it, to see which programs are running at startup and disable unnecessary ones. And that's it. Now you know 3 easy ways to open Task Manager and when to use it. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. See you in the next one.